Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use easy development controls in FS22. First, you need to activate developer mode within your game's settings menu. Once enabled, you can access the in-game console by pressing the tilde key. This console allows you to input various commands, providing quick adjustments and powerful tools to enhance your farming simulation experience. It's a straightforward process that unlocks many possibilities for customization and testing. With developer controls, you can instantly teleport across your map, saving valuable time. Need a specific tractor? You can spawn any vehicle or piece of equipment directly into your game. Furthermore, you have the power to change the game's time of day or even the weather, from sunny skies to heavy rain, all with simple commands. These features offer unparalleled flexibility for testing and creative gameplay scenarios. Beyond basic functions, you can fine-tune your game by adjusting your in-game money or inventory levels with precision. For those interested in modding, these controls are invaluable for debugging scripts and examining game elements. You can also save and load custom game states, allowing you to revert to specific points or experiment without consequence. Mastering these advanced tips will significantly enhance your FS22 experience. If you encounter any issues, like commands not registering, double-check that developer mode is correctly activated and you're using the right syntax. Many community forums offer extensive lists of commands and troubleshooting tips, providing a wealth of knowledge. Remember, these tools are for enhancing your experience, so use them wisely. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these and other great deals to help you out.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.